Well, today we are going to learn our ABCs, elementary, my dear Watson, in sign language. This is how I remember it, and I will go through it slowly the first time, and then we'll go through it a little quicker the second time. So here we go. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, like a K but upside down, P. Q is like a G but down, Q. R is just fingers crossed. S, it's like an A but with your thumb down. T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Now sing with me. You ready? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Now I said my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me? Awesome! Great job! Well, hopefully you learned that. May God bless you. And until next video.